Have you ever said, I can't do it, or I am just not smart enough? Maybe you said it about math, about sport, or about learning English. These small words feel true, but they are a trap. They stop you before you even try. Today, I want to share with you a famous book that can change the way you think forever. It teaches us that our brain can grow just like a muscle. The book is called Mindset. Welcome to the English Flow podcast. My name is Lucas. Please subscribe to the English Flow podcast right now so you can learn easy English every day. Now, let us open this powerful book together and learn how to grow our minds. First, what is a mindset? A mindset is the way you think about yourself and your skills. The writer Carol Dweck studied this for many years. She found that there are two main mindsets. One is called the fixed mindset. The other is called the growth mindset. These two ways of thinking lead to two very different lives. Let us learn about both, because understanding this can change everything for you. Let us start with the fixed mindset. A person with a fixed mindset believes that their skills cannot change. They think, I am either smart or I am not. I am either good at this or I am not. So when something is hard, they give up fast. They think, this is just not for me. They are afraid of mistakes because mistakes feel like proof that they are not good enough. The fixed mindset keeps people small. It stops them from trying and growing. Now, let us learn about the growth mindset. A person with a growth mindset believes that their skills can grow with practice. They think, I am not good at this yet, but I can learn. When something is hard, they do not quit. They try again. They see mistakes not as failure, but as a normal part of learning. The growth mindset makes people strong, brave, and free. They keep growing their whole life because they believe they can. Now here is the most beautiful idea in the whole book. It is one tiny word that can change your life. The word is yet. Listen to the difference. A fixed mindset says, I can't speak English. But a growth mindset says, I can't speak English yet. Do you feel the difference? The word yet turns a closed door into an open road. It says, not now, but soon. I am still learning. So add this little word to your life. Never say, I can't. Always say, I can't do it yet. Let us talk about mistakes, because this is very important. In a fixed mindset, mistakes feel scary and shameful. People hide them. But in a growth mindset, mistakes are friends. They are how we learn. Every time you make a mistake and learn from it, your brain gets a little stronger. Think about a baby learning to walk. The baby falls many times, but the baby does not feel ashamed. The baby just stands up and tries again. That is the perfect growth mindset. The book also teaches us about the power of effort. In a fixed mindset, people think success comes only from talent. They think smart people do not need to try hard. But this is wrong. The book shows that effort and practice are what really make us better. Even people with great talent must work hard to grow. So do not feel bad when something takes effort. Effort is not a sign of weakness. It is the path to growth. The harder you practice, the stronger you become. Here is a wonderful way to think about your brain. Your brain is like a muscle. When you use a muscle and work it, it gets bigger and stronger. Your brain works the same way. Every time you learn something new and practice it, your brain grows new connections. So learning is not just for smart people. Learning makes you smart. The more you use your brain, the stronger it gets. This is real science, and it is full of hope for all of us. Let us also talk about the words we use with ourselves and with others. The book says we should praise effort, not just results. Do not only say to a child, "You are so smart." Instead say, "You worked so hard. Well done." This teaches them that effort matters. And do the same for yourself. When you study, do not say, "I am stupid." Say, "I am learning and I am getting better." Your words shape your mindset. So choose kind and growing words. Let us remember one more thing. A growth mindset does not mean everything is easy. It does not mean you never feel tired or sad. It means that when things are hard, you keep going. You see the hard part as a chance to grow stronger, not as a wall that stops you. Hard does not mean impossible. Hard just means you are learning something new. So when you face a challenge, smile and say, "This is my brain getting stronger." Now, let me show you my favorite secret. A growth mindset is the most important thing for learning English. Many learners quit because they say, "I am too old," or "I am not good at languages." This is a fixed mindset, and it is not true. The truth is, anyone can learn English with practice. So when English feels hard, do not say, "I can't." Say, "I can't speak English yet." Make mistakes and learn from them. Practice a little every day, like with this podcast. Your English brain is growing stronger with every single lesson. We have learned so many powerful ideas from mindset today. We learned that there are two mindsets. The fixed mindset, which says skills cannot change, and the growth mindset, which says skills can grow. We learned the magic of the little word, yet. We learned that mistakes help us grow, and that effort is the path to getting better. We learned that our brain is like a muscle that grows stronger with use, and we learn to speak to ourselves with kind, growing words. What will we talk about next time? Next time, we will start a new and exciting part of our journey. We will explore the best English grammar book for beginners, English Grammar in Use, and learn how to use it the smart way, all in easy English. You do not want to miss it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Follow us on all our social media pages for more daily English practice. Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast. Keep growing, keep trying, and keep speaking English.